Hey y'all, I'm out here on this very windy, beautiful day, and I wanted to show you a problem that we had with the window. You can see that we got these shutters, but this window doesn't have shutters. The house was built in 1930, but we think sometime in the 60s or 70s there was a wall added to make room for a washing machine and for a master bathroom. And this area is so small, I don't even call it the laundry room, I call it the laundry closet. You can see that we have to stack the washer and dryer here in this closet. And you can kind of see the wall where it was built, so it's covering part of the window. And that's the whole problem. The people who installed the shutters said nothing would fit back here. We couldn't even fit blinds if we wanted to. I have some white foam board that I use for props, for photography, for staging, and sometimes I would just put that in there just to cover up the washer and dryer. These windows face the side, they don't face the street or the back even of the house, so it doesn't really matter that much, but I really wanted them to match. I wanted it to all look uniform from the outside. I'll take you to the inside and show you what it looks in there, but I can't wait to show you what I came up with to fix the problem. Okay, so you can see inside the house, it looks like two windows, and there's my laundry closet. The third window is back behind there. I'm gonna try to show you. This is that third window. Try to get in here. You can see that there's a wall blocking. Okay, you can see that I have a piece of foam board in the window, and that's okay, I guess, but I still wanted it to match the shutters. I thought about this for so long. What on earth could I do to make these windows match from the outside and to make it look pretty? This foam board wasn't gonna do it. Just so you know my train of thought, I'm a photographer and I've had a lot of things printed on foam board. My husband and I published a book. It's called Behind the Texas Badge, and we've had our book cover printed on foam board, and it was awesome quality. I couldn't believe it, and I'll show it to you. This is the cover of our book, and the quality was so nice, and I was very impressed. So I don't know if you can see where I'm going with this. This is when I started to put two and two together. I opened the shutter because you know you're gonna see this from the outside and not this part. So this is what we wanna look at from the outside. So I opened it up, and I even opened the bottom just a little bit and left the top closed. And I called my friend at the printing company and asked her if she was up for a really strange request. She said she was. I had to make sure that I took the photo very level, straight on, and I took it from the center of the shutters and not, you know, too low or too high. I didn't want there to be any distortion. I wanted it to be a perfect life size, exact measurement of these shutters. After several emails and measurements and going back and forth and some editing and measuring again, she printed the photo for me on white foam board, and I was picking it up at the store. I don't know why, it just made me laugh when I picked it up and looked at it. I think my husband was a little skeptical about what it was going to turn out like. I don't know what my friend thought at the print shop either. But I thought, why not try? It was $117, so what if it fades? I can just print another one, I still have it. It's just worth a try to fix it, to me. Look, doesn't this make you laugh? It barely fit in the back seat, it's so big. I've never had a photo like this made before. Okay, moment of truth. I'm gonna slide it in. Can you tell from this angle? Can you tell from here? How about from here? Can you tell? It looks so much better than that foam board. Everyone who sees it can't believe it's not real shutters. If you have a problem window, maybe this solution might help. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments. I really hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next video.